Okay, so the pattern is, just remember the 20, 30, 40, 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 2,000, 33,000, 12,000. Every time the multiples of tens, the Madud will not have match mismatch situation in the tens, multiples of tens. That's what I'm just trying to say. It's like a very little point. You will not confuse if the number has 0 in the end, because actually there are no ones to match or mismatch with. That's the thing what I was
It's a very good point, because the only time that we mismatch it is when there's a one digit present.
Exactly.
So if it's not present, so it won't affect it.
It won't.
I didn't get it. One digit present means once number?
So if
Once
you see,
digit.
yeah, if you see, the match and mismatch over here is just happening between books and 8, right?
Yeah.
Cars and 9.
Yes, last
Books
and
and 9.
Yes.
But if you don't have that last digit, if you have 0, then actually there is no match and mismatch.
MashaAllah,
Are you
yes.
getting me?
Yes, Subhanallah.
Yeah, so that's one thing that I noticed. Let me just...
Good observation system here, MashaAllah.
Yeah, I thought I would just bring it to your mind.
I mean, you didn't leave anything out. Best is just like on the practice now, because you did everything.
Yes, all you have to do is just practice. Okay, so let's move on. That's it. We are done with this, and I'm going to stop sharing.
I think there were like few patterns of 200,000, 300,000 as well in the book, but I think they would remain the same, right? We could just even read them so we could understand.
Actually, you just have to master 1 to 99 grid.
Yes.
And that is absolutely correct. Sister Nita, I just want to share you. I was trying to go through these hundreds and thousands in the book, but I was so confused. I just slammed the book and just kept it. I just closed it because it was. But you explained it so profoundly, so well. Subhanallah, may Allah put lots and lots of barakah in your knowledge.
Thank you, Sister Faima. That's really okay. There's one thing actually I want to let you know. If you go through the EMSA book, and if you go through the our course book, EMSA says I think there is a mistake in our course book, because EMSA I'm thinking is correct. So EMSA says, if you remember, we made 300 books. That would be Thalathu Mi'atin, and then for books you will say Thalathu Mi'ati Kitabin. Right?
Kitabin, yes.
But in our course book, it says that Kitabin is supposed to have a mismatch between match and mismatch between Thalathu. I think that is wrong. That is what our book says.
How did the Ustaz teach it? Actually, I didn't join with the current Dream Online until they were on the reader. So how did the Ustaz teach this one?
Sorry?
I don't remember.
Like how did the Ustaz teach this lesson?
So I'm going to watch those videos also, but I'm thinking it came because it makes sense to me. From how the grid works, I think it makes sense to me that hundreds and thousands, when they have their mudafile as madud, they do not have any match mismatch situation. However, our course book says it does. When you're writing only in hundreds, like for example, if you're saying 800 books, I said it was a mudafile and it has no match mismatch situation. The book says it does with the other.
But I think there must be some mistake in the book now. And if you can confirm it with you, we can even post it in the group for everyone.
Yes, I'm going to send this is what I realized yesterday. You can't say, now if for example you have Salasu Mi'ati, Kutubin, right? Now you can't say Sulasatu Mi'ati. That would be two feminines together. Whereas the hundreds are constructed this way that they're supposed to contradict.
Secondly, you explained beautifully that Salasu is actually matching with the Miya thing. That is not matching with the Kutubin, because
yes, exactly.
So yes.
So it doesn't make sense to me that it should match or mismatch with the Madhu, but the book says it does. I'm going to send it on the group also, the page. I was going to share it right now, but I think we are going really beyond time. So I'll just...
Yes, I think it's enough for today, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, it is enough for today.
Sister Brishna, in the evening, would just go through the drills now, because you have done a very good job explaining this. So, alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much.
Brother Basit, actually, if you can off the recordings.
Sorry, just a second. Stop recording.